In my opinion guys, one of the most breathtaking restaurants dito po sa Pampanga. Nandito tayo ngayon sa kanilang second level. This is the second floor. Meron din tayong parang pinaka-open lawn area in which you can also enjoy. So meron tayong mga couch, may mga tables and chairs. Some would wanna, ayan, parang naka-camping, ano tawag doon? So kami guys, nandito sa second level and there's Joyce. Hi, Mami! What can you say about the place?
So lovely! Ayaw nga mag-picture kasi ako mag-date.
Oo nga. Actually, the food is ready. Papakita rin namin sa inyo guys kung ano yung mga sinerve nila para sa atin dito. More of Reca. Samahan niyo po kami. Grabe, ang ganda ng music natin ngayon. But I wanna show you guys kung ano yung nasa table natin. So we have 3 different kinds of pizza. Meron tayo ditong sisig pizza, a Cajun pizza, cheese pizza, so non-meat. Meron din tayong baby back ribs earlier. This was flaming, and another steak, a flaming steak. And then, you can enjoy the food guys na parang naka-couch. Meron din tayo dito overseeing open lawn natin. On this side guys, meron tayong special kind of rice. Ayan, ibang klase, no? Parang may ulam na, parang ganyan guys. And then we have 2 different kinds of pasta. This one is actually atinola in a buko. So, di ba? Added amusement, and talagang may enjoy mo yung food. We also have different kinds of cocktails. Look at that. A salmon, a tiger prawn, and a salad. Guys, what else to do? Tikman na natin to. Kanina pa akong gutom na gutom. Let's go! Still here at the second floor, and grabe, we are enjoying with our family the food, the place, the ambience, the music, the people. No, this is where kahit na strangers would really, you know, hi, hello. So it's a very welcoming place. It's very open for enjoyment and fun, and I'm happy po see Reca grow from beginning. Nung Reca 1 pa lang sila, Reca 2, and now they have Reca Farm and Resort, Valley of Pampanga, and Reca Resort and Cafe. Hope to see you here. And if you have any questions or inquiries, please message nyo po yung fan page we're gonna be including in this post. Guys, I'm really hungry. Kakain ako ulit. And of course, enjoy the rest of the evening. Thank you guys for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out. Bye guys.